I want to share a story with you today. I have some sellers. We recently got their home sold. They live in this humongous house, have lots of stuff, 3 stories, and we have a timeline that they're supposed to move out so the buyers can move in. Well, when it came time for the buyers to move in, the sellers were not ready. They had not packed all of their things and they still had a lot of packing to do. So I'm in communication with my sellers all along and they're telling me, you know, we probably need 30 more minutes, we probably need an hour, we're getting really close. Well, what actually happened, come to find out later that I hear from the other agent, is the buyers, who are some of the nicest people you've ever met, had their family members come and help the sellers pack up, load the van, and get them to move. Many hours past the time that the buyers were supposed to take possession of the house. Now, thank goodness this all worked out well. These were all very lovely adults. Buyers were willing to help out the sellers. The sellers had some special needs. Everything worked out beautifully. But that's an unusual situation. So I tell you this story because if you're a seller and you have a lot of packing to do and you've lived in your home forever and ever, don't underestimate how long it will take you to clear out, declutter, get rid of things, get packed. It takes time. It takes time. These folks had professional packers. They had family members coming, and even with all of that, they didn't judge the time frame. So it's very important, out of courtesy to your buyer, to be out of your home on time. So thank goodness we had some wonderful buyers and sellers who worked together, and it was a happy end to a story. But I tell you this story so that you can be aware timelines are very important in a contract, and we need to abide by those.